Hi, I'm Danny Lipford with today's homeowner. Summer is here, it's time to get outside, but first let's do a big cleanup, whether with a pressure washer or with some soap and water and an old-fashioned brush. Get everything clean. After that, you might find a few things that need a little repair, and that's what we found on this particular deck when we got it all nice and clean for these homeowners, and there was a lot of rotten wood. We removed all of the rotten deck boards first, made sure the framing was good underneath to support the new composite decking. This is from Trex. It's called Enhance. It's a very budget-friendly composite decking, and it looks fantastic. It's got the hidden fastener system. You can't see any fasteners anywhere. It has nice uniform gaps. This is one of the best-looking decks I've ever worked on. Also, composite handrails. I wasn't even aware that these were available, so reasonable and easy to install. Even the treads and everything we have on this deck is low maintenance Trex composite decking. And I love the LED lights. That's pretty cool as well. Well, you can sit here and you can have this great environment. You can look out in your yard, and if it's not looking good, the experience is diminished just a little bit. And that all starts with the right tools. You know how a carpenter will have all of these specialty tools in their toolbox? Well, you can have the same to attack your yard. Look at this arsenal of tools from Ames. This is just a small sampling of the many tools they have available at the Home Depot, including this really cool edger. I love this thing. You're able to edge around your driveway and sidewalks, and when you're working on your flower beds, to be able to reach up in there and grab that debris without getting on your hands and knees. And also, I love this thing when I'm planting any flowers or shrubs around the house. Perfect size for that. Now, when you're talking about staying off of those knees, how about a weeder that you can use standing up? This one, you just put it right on top of the weed, you push it here, and you pull it right up like that. And you can find out a lot more about all of these tools by going to todayshomeowner.com.